How to see who viewed my Facebook profile. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile. First, you have to make sure that you have a professional account. For that, you want to tap on three dots just beside See Dashboard. Then, as you can see, it is turned off professional mode as I have already turned on professional mode. But if you don't have your professional mode turned on, you want to go ahead and tap on it. Now you want to go back to your profile, then tap on See Dashboard. As you do that, you will enter to the screen where you can see how many people have reached to your profile. You want to tap on See More Insights, and here you will be able to see more informations. To see who have viewed your profile, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I'm using Safari here. Go to the search bar and search for Best Profile Visit Tracker Facebook. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see many apps which will help you to see who have viewed your Facebook profile. You want to download any of them that might be paid or unpaid. So that is how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.